We got some, I guess it's JY Performance DAC 798. Of course, it's made in China. But anyway, these are guide poles for the little John boat trailer here. I guess you call that a John boat. But anyway, we're gonna put these guide poles on here. It's just a bolt-on kit. And, you know, they have the bunk style ones you can bolt on to come out, and it's got the carpeted bunk on the side. But I'm just going with the guide poles because you can pretty much put them anywhere on the back side and just get you lined up. Especially with these, and they come with these black. You can get white or black, but I got the black. And all it is like PVC slots cut for the bolts, and then it's capped off. Which so when you replace these, you can make some more of these out of PVC pipe. I'm just gonna get all this out, and we'll get into the process. So this is kind of the instructions. If you got really wide guides or a frame, you do it that way. If you got slim like I do, you cross them over. But we're gonna do this, and I'll show you how it goes on. First thing you do, you can put the bracket on top or the bottom. I just chose to put it on the bottom. And if you have a slim frame, you cross it over. If not, you do just straight across. And I got it in this slot here. And the last one, and then this middle, like the longer slotted one here. You just get it up, you know, like a third of the way on your screw. And then you'll slide your post in, just like that right there. And you snug them down after you get them where you want them. And then in a second, we'll put the rest of the guide on there, and I'll show you how that goes. As you can see, it's got a you know, a bolt in right there. There's another hole right here, depending on your height that you want it, whether 40 inches or 48 inches. And it does come with 2 extra of these, I guess. So if you lose them, it comes with a couple extra one of those. So whether you want it higher or lower, you put that in there. And then only one side is slotted, so slide down over, line the slot up, and it drops right on there. And you snug it down. It's like it's an Allen key in there for that. Gets you up like that. We'll put the other one on. I'll put this one up on the top and see what it looks like. All right, y'all, there she is. I'm gonna leave them on the 48 inch. I like them up a little farther. And so as far as the quality is good, fits good. Now the hardware and the bolts and all is the hot dip galvanized, but the poles and the brackets are zinc coating, zinc plated, whatever. They'll rust fast more before these will, but you can paint them later, whatever. But it's pretty good quality. These are nylon locking nuts, but I'd put, if knowing what I know now, if I had some, I would put a lock washer under there. So go ahead and, you know, just get you a lock washer for these, because you can still spin it a little by hand if it's not tight, even with the nylon locking nut on there. But it's snug down. It shouldn't come loose. If it does, I'll put lock nuts on it. But they work pretty good. This went on there good. I like the way that's designed. It's gonna wrap it up for those. They're pretty good. I give them a thumbs up.